Hi peeps, and welcome to another episode of Willys Garage. I have insulated the whole workshop, as you have seen in my previous videos, except one segment on my wall. That is the segment around the entrance to the garage. I haven't done this yet because I want to change the door to a proper entrance door that is insulated, and in that same procedure I'm going to insulate around the door itself. But as you can see, the rest of the shop is a total mess and a total chaos. Yeah, what can I say? Thing takes time. But today I'm going to focus on the entrance door, and in the same video I am going to review this thing. I got this from something called Garden Joy or 5-Star Tools. I will leave links to all this in the description. They sent me this so I could review it. It's a low budget 21 volt cordless drill, so I thought this project would be a perfect project to try it out. It has a price of $49.99, but at the time I'm making this video it's out on sale for $38.99. So I'm interested to see how it works out, if it's any good to use and if it has any power. Let's take a look at what comes inside. Here we have the battery charger. It's a plugged charger. I'm not a big fan of that. We also get a pair of protective glasses. Here we have the drill itself. It's a 2-speed adjustable chuck. It feels a bit light to be a 21 volt in the packet. We also get a couple of drill bits, even a drill bit for wood, 16mm, and we have some bits for screws. All in all, it might be a good package for $50. I'm finished mounting the new entrance door to the workshop. I have isolated around the new door and used some expansion foam around the door itself. I want to talk about this Garden Joy 21 volt drill. It didn't give me any kind of grief while doing this project. I think it's quite powerful to be in the price range it is. Remember, it's $50 usually. Now it's on sale for $39.99. This is a 21 volt DC drill. It has an adjustable choke here and 2 speeds. It has a detachable battery. It only comes with a plug-in charger that you plug in this hole. I usually do prefer my chargers to have a slot-in charger, but this works okay. It's not as heavy as I would have thought. In this project I have used it to screw in some heavy-duty screws. When using it on the heavy-duty screws I had no problem with the power. And as you can see here, I did a stress test on it using the 16mm wood drill bit. I also used the 8mm metal drill bit and stress tested it in wood. When changing to my Bosch 12 volt cordless drill, I did not feel any change in power. With that said, this was a 12 volt Bosch versus a 21 volt Garden Joy. So I think those had approximately the same power. I have a link for this product down in the description. I think I can recommend this and I will keep on using it to check out the durability. As mentioned before, check out the links down below, and if you like this video, please subscribe. I will give you more updates on the workshop progress. Okay, until next time, see you, goodbye.